How to sell ebooks without writing a word, AI secret. Have you ever dreamed of making money online but felt overwhelmed by the idea of writing an entire book? What if you could skip the writing altogether and still sell ebooks that generate thousands of dollars? Imagine selling a $37 ebook and waking up to your first $5,000 day. Now, fast forward 120 days. What if you had earned $535,000 in just 4 months? This isn't a fantasy. It's a proven method, and today, we're diving into the step-by-step process of how you can do the same using AI tools. The AI advantage, your secret weapon. AI has revolutionized the way we approach content creation. With the right tools, you can generate ideas, create outlines, and even write entire ebooks without typing a single word yourself. It's not just about saving time, it's about leveraging technology to make passive income. Let's break down the process into actionable steps so you can start selling your own AI-generated ebooks today. Step 1. Setting up your AI assistant. The first step is simple. Head over to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, sign up. It's free to get started. Once you're logged in, you've got a powerful assistant at your fingertips, ready to help you brainstorm and create. Step 2. Choosing a profitable niche. To sell an ebook successfully, you need to focus on what people want to buy. Start by researching best-selling categories on Amazon KDP. Popular niches include romance, mystery and thriller, self-help, fantasy, productivity. Ask ChatGPT to list the top-selling ebook categories, and it will give you a roadmap of where the demand is. Step 3. Generating winning topics. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to narrow down your topic. For example, if you're in the productivity niche, ask ChatGPT for 10 killer book ideas. You might get suggestions like the morning routine of high achievers, time blocking for success, mastering the art of saying no. Pick the one that resonates most with your audience. Let's say you choose the art of saying no. Now, ask ChatGPT to create an outline for this topic. Within seconds, you'll have a structured table of contents for your ebook. Step 4. Writing the book with AI. Here's where things get exciting. For each chapter in your outline, instruct ChatGPT to write the content. For example, tell it, write the content for Chapter 1. Why saying no is the key to productivity. Repeat this process for every chapter. In minutes, you'll have a draft for your entire ebook. The quality is impressive, but you can always tweak the text to add your personal touch or align it with your brand voice. Step 5. Formatting your ebook. Once your content is ready, it's time to format it for publishing. Open Google Docs or any word processor and paste your chapters into a clean, organized document. Add titles, headings, and any design elements you'd like. When everything looks polished, download the file as a PDF. Step 6. Publishing on Amazon KDP. Now that your ebook is ready, it's time to publish. Go to Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, and create an account if you don't already have one. Upload your PDF, add a compelling book cover. You can create one using tools like Canva, and set your pricing. Amazon KDP allows you to reach millions of readers worldwide, and with the right keywords and categories, your ebook can start selling almost immediately. Step 7. Scaling your success. Once your ebook is live, don't stop there. Use the same formula to create more ebooks in different niches or expand on your existing topic. AI makes it easy to replicate the process, allowing you to build an entire library of eBooks without ever writing a word. Why this works? AI isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. By combining AI's efficiency with platforms like Amazon KDP, you can create a passive income stream that grows over time. The best part? You don't need to be a writer or a tech expert to succeed. All you need is the willingness to take the first step. So what are you waiting for? Start your AI-powered ebook journey today and join the growing community of creators who are redefining what it means to make money online. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.